breakdown of the song is that it's got this lovely intro, and just use nice open strumming patterns to the C, to the D, and there comes my first fill. So it's a D with a pull off on the second finger. It's got the G with the B bass chord in it, so it's like a normal G, just removing the second finger so that I don't play the G bass note, rather I touch it with this finger so it's muted. And then I would just hit from the top down, and I hit the B. So this one's muted, the B is going to ring out. And now I do it in a strum. This is really subtle. If you're a beginner player, just stick to the front bit of those chords. If it says G/B, just play the G and you'll be fine. If you have a band and there's a bass player and he can play that bass note even better, you can concentrate on the chord. But if you want to do the finer things, then this is the way to do it. Then it's got an A minor 7th to C major 7th. So that's how easy that is. A minor 7th, and I just swivel to the C major 7th chord. Then it goes to a D, so you could play the D over here, but I'm going to show you how to use an inversion of D, so a different way to play D, which is this open voicing. And don't use it all the time for D, but in some songs it's going to actually sound so good, and it's like having options. You have the option of using this voicing, this open chord voicing of D. So especially if I go from the A minor 7th, C major 7th, and now slide that to the 5th fret, and I just put finger 1 down as if I'm playing a C shape, and there's my open D voicing. At another point it goes from a B minor 7th to an E with a G sharp bass. Now you can just play the E, but if you want to play the whole chord, just this is the shape to use. E with the G sharp bass. From the verse into the chorus, it's got a busy movement, so it will go from the E over G sharp to the A, and then it adds a G bass note. So it's a lovely little movement. In the movement, play more the single note, or I just play around the bassiest strings, the top 2 or 3 strings. A over C sharp. So from an A, finger 1, the way I play A is like that, and then finger 1's in position, I swivel to the A over C sharp, finger 1 stays in position as I swivel to D. So learn how to play sequences of chords like that, where one flows into the other with a swivel point or a glide movement, so that it's ease of playing. Very important to have ease of playing. A lovely little lick that I use. So go from E minor, and then finger 1's going to glide to the 5th fret, just like a train on a train track. And now I'm hitting a D note. That's the D note. You know, like when you tune your guitar, D and D. But now if I push up slightly with this finger, so I mute the top string, and then I just strum all down.